Whoa, that's a big tower. Yeah, it's a big tower. No, we helped last time, so, what about this time? Oh, last time you didn't even help. Well... again? Sure, why not? Alright. Bruh. Alright, let's have the children take care of this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You're so cringe, Joe. You didn't even say dude right. Ugh.
Hey, yo, chill!
Oh no. Became one of the pigs. Ah, oh. Oh, suck. Don't worry, children, I got this. Don't worry, Percy, I'll help you. Ugh. Wow, thanks for help, Dad. I got this.
What's your deal?
You know what? That's it. I'm doing this the easy way. Haha, you didn't get me. You didn't. Oh, okay. Okay, that's fair, I guess. Thank you guys for getting our eggs back out of something, I guess. Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna go. So, can I come? Yeah, sure. Yay! Oh. Well, that was nice. Guys! What? Guys, I think I found out why half of our flock is gone. Why is that? You're not gonna like this. But it's
Hey, yo, chill!
You know, I should really upload more. I mean, like, I don't get much views, but still.